Hello and welcome to today's lesson where we're looking at the three levels of a product. Now, the three product levels model by Philip Kotler provides a way to understand the different levels of need that a customer has for a product. And it's worth noting that according to Kotler, the definition of a product goes far beyond just your product or service itself. It includes anything that can be offered to the marketplace to capture attention, acquire customers, or satisfy a need or a want. Now, Kotler outlined that there are three ways that customers attach value to a product, and those are firstly need, and that's the lack of a basic requirement. So for example, the customer needs to be able to cycle to work, so they need a bicycle. Next we have want, and that's a specific requirement for a product or service to meet a need. So if we take our bike example further, the customer also wants a carbon fiber frame, so as the bicycle is lightweight and makes their commute quicker. Thirdly, we have demand, and that's a set of wants plus the desire and ability to pay to have them satisfied. So in our example, the customer knows they need a bike, they want a carbon fiber frame, and they have the means and the willingness to pay for both. So in order to understand a product better, Kotler proposed examining each product as though it were actually three separate products. So firstly, we have the core benefit, secondly, the actual product, and thirdly, the augmented product. Now together, these three separate products are known as the three product levels. So let's examine each in turn. So first, we have the core benefit, and the core benefit is the fundamental need that the customer satisfies when they buy the product. And it's important to think of the core benefit from the customer's perspective. And the easiest way to do this is to ask yourself, fundamentally, why is the customer buying this product? So for example, the core benefit of a mobile phone or a cell phone is to provide a mechanism to make telephone calls when away from your home or your office. Now, note that products are rarely marketed using their core product. And that's because core products offer no competitive advantage. Imagine how ridiculous it would seem if a cell phone was advertised these days on its ability to make phone calls. It's ridiculous. So second, we have the actual product, and the actual product is the product's features and its design. Now, products typically have lots of features, but very few actual benefits or core benefits to the customer. So if we look at our mobile phone example again, then the actual product consists of the design and the features of the phone. So that includes things like its dimensions, its color, its screen size, Bluetooth compatibility, etc., etc. And finally, we have the augmented product. Now, the augmented product is any non-physical parts of the product. Typically, the augmented product includes such things as warranty and customer service, and it can be an important way to tailor your product to meet the needs of specific customers. So if we return again to our cell phone example, the augmented product could include a 12-month warranty for all customers. Business customers may additionally receive a 24-hour replacement service for broken phones. And it's important to realize that in just adjusting the augmented product is a great way to add value to a product. And it's very common to see products advertised and advertising campaigns which focus on the augmented product. And that's because it's one of the areas where it's possible to be different from your competitors, which helps you stand out in the marketplace. So let's take a look at a quick example. And the example we're going to look at is selling a television set. Now, if we look at the core product, when we're purchasing a TV, the core product is obviously the need to watch television programs. And as stated previously, the core product is rarely used, if ever, as the basis of a marketing campaign. So the actual product for a TV is going to be the TV itself and its features. So that's going to include things like the size of the screen, its weight, what apps come pre-installed, how easy it is to set the television up, what connectivity options you have, etc. And also included in the actual product is the brand name. Now, whether the brand is perceived as a premium brand or a budget brand will form part of the actual product. So in the case of TVs, Sony, for example, might be considered a premium brand, whereas TCL might be considered a budget brand. And finally, we have the augmented product. Now, the augmented product for our TV example might include things like 0% financing, a 3-year warranty, the company's reputation for post-sales support. It could even include things like donating 1% of revenue to plant trees, helping offset the environmental impact of manufacturing televisions. Now, when it comes to using the model, the 3 product levels are involved whenever you purchase any product. Now, as we have described, a product is more than you can see and touch when you buy it. So to use the model, marketers must begin by identifying the core product or the core benefit. And to do this, you can ask yourself questions like, what is it that the customer really needs? Or what problems does the customer have that we can solve? And once you've done that, the next step is to design the features of the actual product. And then the final step is to augment the product to create customer value and make it a success in the marketplace. Now, there's a template you can download if you'd like to go through the 3 product levels for your own product or your own service. And I've included a link to that template below this video. If you click there, you can download it straight away. So, in summary, to better understand a product, Kotler proposed examining every product as though it were actually 3 separate products made up of the core benefit, the actual product, and the augmented product. Now, as we've discussed, the core benefit is the basic customer need that's fulfilled. The actual product is the features of the product, and the augmented product, these are the intangible features of the product, and it's here that the real value is added by marketers. So together, these 3 separate products are known as the 3 product levels. So that's it for this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon.